Today, I'm going to show you a native Monday.com hack that'll clean up your workflows and centralize your files without touching a third-party tool. This trick lets you pull the most recent file from an update and automatically place it into a dedicated file column on the same board or across boards. Let me show you how it works. I'm going to upload a file to the update section of this item. Once that happens, our workflow will trigger and transfer that file into the file column on another board. You can even monitor their workflow in real time. Once it runs, boom, the file shows up right in the file column on the connected board. Let's test it in action. I'll post another update with a new file. The automation runs, and this time it replaces the file with the newest version, keeping things tidy and up to date. Just keep in mind, this doesn't stack files. It only moves the latest file from the most recent update. But for file handoff and documentations, it's a total upgrade. Want to implement hacks like this across your Monday.com workspace? Book a free discovery call using the link below. Thanks for watching.